Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to freeze rows in Excel. So as you can see right here, we have the examples. We have here the name, the email, and the contact number that we're going to use as an example. So if you want to freeze it, all you have to do is to click the row that you want to freeze. So let's say for example, you want to freeze this row 1. Then go to the search bar and search for freeze panes. And then click this one, and then click this top row button right here. After that, it will now be automatically freezed. So if I move this right here, it won't move. So as you can see right there. Now, if you want to unfreeze it, all you have to do is the same. Just click freeze panes, and then click unfreeze pane right here. So it's not freeze anymore. And that is basically it. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.